Test receiving emails and sending automated email replies using your free Gmail account and VP Mail SMTP. Come to VP Mail SMTP plugin, Tools. Send to your free Gmail account. Use HTML or simple plain text. Send email. Log into your Gmail account to confirm it. Test email sent successfully. Test your contact form automated reply back message. John Doe, your second email, testing automated reply back message. Click on send. Submission successful. Check your email inboxes. Message received. New message from John Doe. Now check your automated reply back message. Automated reply back received. Hello, John Doe. I've received your message and will get back to you ASAP. Appreciate your patience. Email message is successfully working with VP Mail SMTP and your free Gmail account. If you missed the video on how to create your free professional contact form, then click the link in the description.